Hey guys, today I'm opening this package. Well, I haven't shown what's in it yet, but my mum has opened it and it says toys on it. So I'm so excited! Can I open it now?
Have a look then.
Oh good. I cannot wait to see.
Right.
Oh my god! There's a whole bunch of monster trucks! Here's one. Guys, that's not it, guys. There's only one more, guys.
Wow. So this is all getting ready for Monster Jam, which is going to be in Cardiff on the 18th of May. And you're going, aren't you? Are you excited, Ethan?
Yeah, last time I went, these were big and everything.
Were they? Well, we're going to get some ear defenders this year, aren't we? Some proper ones.
Yeah, because the other ones were just like plastic.
Yeah. So what would you tell any other little boys and girls going to the Monster Jam? What would you say?
I would say that I have toys in them now. And
No, what would you tell? What would you tell the boys and girls that are going to Monster Jam for their first ever time? You tell them to take some ear defenders.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. And what else would you tell them? Would you tell them to take some spending money because there's lots and lots of souvenir shops in there? Yeah, yeah. And I'd probably tell them to have fun like us because we had lots of fun, didn't we? Yeah. Right, so let's have a look what toys you got then.
Okay, there's a black one and a green one in here. I think I should open this.
No, don't open them. We can't open them yet because your little brother would be upset, wouldn't he?
Oh yeah.
Oh, what else we got here? Soldier Fortune. What's this? You've got to pull something to get it working. You have a look at that for me. What else we got? Oh. Do I have to press it?
I get it.
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah, I can feel the. Yeah, I can feel the.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, so you have to put it back,
what's
maybe.
This one? This one's probably.
This one looks the coolest. Let me have a look.
Oh yeah, this one's a fully box.
It's a full kit.
Sand.
It's got kinetic sand with this one, I think. Yeah. These are the ones I've seen advertised. They look amazing.
Hey, I can have.
If anybody wants to get up close and personal with these toys and with some Monster Jam trucks, there's an event. The entertainers putting on an event on in Cardiff and in Cwmbran as well. I know that the 15th of May, the Cwmbran Entertainer store is going to have a monster vehicle there for people to look at, and all these toys will be on display for you to play. We're thinking ahead in there, aren't we? Yeah. Right, so what do you say? Bye and thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for sending us these lovely toys to have a play with. Monster Jam toys. They're brilliant. This is superb.
Goodbye.
Bye.